Last one, number 96 for the Algebra 1 CST released questions. It says, which of the following graphs represents a relation that is not a function of x? Saying a function of x just means that it has to pass the vertical line test along the x-axis. So if we draw a vertical line in, let me do that in red here. I'm just going to draw a vertical line and I move it along the graph. It can't cross a graph any more than one time along there. So it's right here just crossing at that particular one point. As I move along, it's always still just one point where it crosses the graph of the function. So it's that way all the way along. So choice A, that one checks out. That one is a function. Choice C, same thing. Just one point, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 point. It would cross up here as this graph would keep extending up that way. So choice C, that one checks out. Choice B, it's okay here. What about when we get to here? Well, it still works because it's just a new angle, or it's going off in a new direction, but it's still only crossing even where that change is. It's still only crossing at that one particular point. But then over here, choice D, right there it crosses right at that tangent point. That's just one point, but from there on forward for a while, it crosses at how many spots? Well, 1, 2. It's crossing at 2 different spots. If you have that same x value matching up with different y values, that's when it's not a function. That's why that vertical line test works. So from here all the way to here, in between those 2 tangent points, you have it crossing the vertical line, crosses the graph of the function, or crosses the graph of the relation twice, making it not a function. So choice D is the only one that's not a function of x. Choice D is the correct answer for the last one, number 96. Choice D.